So, can AI replace travel agents? Let me show you something wild. I just recently got back from Europe, and my entire itinerary was planned exclusively by AI. No travel agency, no human planner, just me and ChatGPT. It helped me travel to 8 different countries in 16 days. Every hotel, train, and historic landmark was organized through prompts. And if you're curious how, comment AI travel below and I'll send it to you. This isn't just theory. These are actual moments that AI has mapped out for me. Now, the real question isn't will AI replace jobs? It's how long until most jobs are not done by humans anymore. Because the truth is, those who adapt will win, and those who don't will get replaced by automation. So instead of mindless scrolling or drowning in Netflix dramas, use that time to learn the tools you'll need to be able to adapt. That's exactly what I'm doing, starting from scratch. I'm learning Python and exploring AI fundamentals and breaking down every project that I build. So you can learn with me step by step. Now let's evolve together because the best travel agent might just be the one that you code.